have been posting UPSC essays. Now I've received some feedback. I've received a request to tell you about the structure of a UPSC essay. A disclaimer before I begin. There are upteen ways of writing an essay and no one way is correct, right? But I will give you from my point of view, my experience, and whatever works for you, fine. Well, now when you read the essay, the topic of the essay, the first thing you need to do is to understand the context. Why has this essay been asked? How can I relate it to anything current? How will I be able to relate it to my knowledge, right? Or to my country? How can I relate it? That has to start ticking in your mind while you even underline what are the important keywords. So get the keywords. Then look at the helping words. Very important. What are the helping words you need to understand? Because that will give you a key. Are there any synonyms? Are there opposites? Are there contradictions? So just have a look at that first. Now, once that is done, then you have to first, as we did in school also, first you have to write a rough draft before you jump into the real essay. So while you are making the draft, you need to understand that your essay has to be very broad based. You must cover as many parameters as you can, because you have to write 1200 words, right? So what are you going to cover? First of all, how are you going to divide the topic, right? Is it open to criticism? I mean, is there a topic which has benefits, then shortcomings and suggestions? All topics might not be open like that. Or is it about values and traditions? So if it is values and traditions, for example, then can I take it state-wise, or can I take it the ancient and the present, right? And how can I divide it? Even women empowerment, for example, you can take it either ways. You can take it the historically, the chronological order, the current situation, then in the various economic classes, whatever way you take. So there is no one way, you have to decide and you have to create that, right? So that is one thing. You have to make a draft first about that. First of all, first thing first, once you understand the keywords, in the first paragraph, you have to give a message to the examiner that you've understood the topic. He should know that yes, it's going to be, he is understood the topic. Otherwise, you keep on looking at that you've understood the topic. So that, and what is going to be the general flow of the essay, that should be in the first paragraph. Now, every paragraph that you take should be a connect. So one thing is very important. It should not be a punishment to the examiner, right? So there should be a flow in the essay. Very important, fluency. So the last line of the first paragraph should connect to the second line. And it should be a pleasure to read. Punishment hoga to you will not get many marks. So that is an art which you have to learn to do it, and practice will help you there. So that is one thing. I told you broad base, I'm telling you fluency, I'm telling you as far as possible current situations, right? So and then restrict yourself on examples. I receive essays where there are so many examples. Now, if you have to take an example, make sure that every example gives a different learning. It's not the same learning, then what is the point, right? So make sure that is happening. Different learnings, different examples if you want, but as far as possible, less examples. So, and then coming to the conclusion, very important, when you come to the conclusion, make sure that the conclusion is nice, but more important is that your writing is still legible. And you don't make any unnecessary blunders, because that is the time he's going to give you the marks. So very important that time also the writing should be legible, neat, keep a quote till the end, interesting beginning, interesting ending, and good reading. That will make your essay great. All the best. Lot of practice to you. Anything else, please do ask, and I am there. आपकी सेवा में हाजिर कुलवंत कौर. ठीक है, ऑल द बेस्ट, गॉड ब्लेस यू।